This video is to address two problems of OpenShot on Linux Mint version 20.1. The first problem is OpenShot's compatibility with Blender. It just doesn't work with Blender for the animated titles, not in version 2.43. So what you want is version 2.51 of OpenShot. So what you want to do to get this version of OpenShot is type in OpenShot PPA into a search engine. Click on the very first link that comes up. You want to go to this very first box here. Type these 3 lines one at a time into your terminal and you'll get the new version of OpenShot. However, this is the second problem this video addresses. If you've already gotten version 2.43 of OpenShot and you follow these instructions to install it and it doesn't run at all, it's because there's one more thing that you need to do that you haven't done. I'm going to show you right now. You want to open a terminal window. You type this in to remove the old version, but I don't have that version, so it's not going to work for me. But you want to type in sudo apt auto remove. That removes your old dependencies. I'm not going to do it right now because I've already done it, but that's the exact line you want to type in. Once you type in sudo apt auto remove, then you want to go back to sudo apt-get install openshot-qt. You'll get the new version and then it will actually run. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to load OpenShot for a minute here. If I click title and animated title and I click any one of these, you can see it actually loads. If it has an incompatibility with Blender, instead of loading right here, you'll just get this text message pop up that says it needs the name and location of Blender. Anyway, that's all there is to it. Everything runs if you just follow these instructions. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.